devil's target is your mind, and his weapon is his lies. What does he do? He'll tell you, you're not gonna be able to pay your bills. You're not gonna be able to make rent. Your marriage is not going to survive this. He'll tell you, you're gonna get sick. You're gonna be all alone. There's not gonna be a ventilator for you. If God really loved you, then he wouldn't be allowing this to happen in your life. And the devil comes at you again and again. His target is your mind. His weapon is his lies. And that's why you have to tell yourself again and again, the devil is a liar. He's always swinging. Guard your mind, guard your heart, prayer and peace. Don't drop your guard. What do? You pray to God about everything, and you praise him in all things. Wherever you are, praise him. Praise him today. I'm talking about the kind of praise that makes the devil mad.